tere, minu nimi on Markus Manak, ma olen 8-aastane ja tulen Pärnust. Igapäevaelus tegelen ma õppimise, tantsuga ja korvpalliga. Kõige paremini tuleb mul välja hip-hopi tants. Ma käin tantsukoolis Soft Dance. Tantsima ma hakkasin 3-aastaselt, aga hip-hopi ma tantsin 1 aasta. Hip-hop on fikseeritud tants, sellepärast mulle meeldibki see tantsustiil. Mulle meeldib väga esineda. Täna esitan teile tantsu, mille pealkiri on Oeh.
Väga uhke.
I see party people. They're everywhere.
Fly it, everybody like it. Give it to your nana man, watch it get excited. Take a supermodel and put her on a diet. She be having dinner in her den like a lion. Any, mo, mini, miny, flim, slam, anybody. She's too skinny, she's no hottie. Who'd ever think that she would be more lottie? No, be more lottie. Got more head than she got body. Man, she don't got it. I like it when they drop it in the hit rock bar.